Mama. You're the hurdler. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Why don't you tuck that knee behind you? No? Oh, that's a plug. Wow. Let's say, no, we're not going to play with that. Okay, come on. Crawled all the way across the room that way with that crazy leg in front.